So hello and welcome back, and today, as you can see over here, Ford performance. Today I'm gonna take out the seats from the Ford Fiesta MK8 STLine, and it's not that really hard. So there is few things that you need to unclick to get to the screws. Basically not much tools you need for this job, but here we go. So, but all in all, first you should take out the electricity, and that's the screw 7. So, see, you just unscrew it, plug it out, and after that you need just to take out these screws. So for these, there is 4 of those, so 4. You need 50 this, so the 50, and second one you take these 2 out, and then you move the seat in front, because there is some more in the back. So here is the one. I should have moved the seat a little bit more to the front. The third one, the fourth one is over here. So that's the third one, and here is the fourth one, and that's basically that for the driver's seat. So after that it's loose. Only thing you need to do is take this out. You don't want to screw anything up. So that's first seat. This one don't have heating, I believe. Yeah, there is no heating in this one, but still it's a nice example. I'm gonna take it out. So I took it out. As you can see, it's a really nice seat. I mean, this car didn't have much miles, so it's no wonder. Now I need to go other side. So let's see. So once again, the 7 for the electricity. You take it out, and then you go to these little thingies, these plastic covers for the screw. Yeah, so like that. Unscrew them. This one as well. Take them out, and then you can move. So this time I'm gonna try to take it a little bit more out, so I have more space on this for this one, and that one that is here. So that's about that for those 4, and the seat now is fully loose. Need to take it out, so I will take it out, and then we go on the back side, and back side is kind of a little bit harder. So second for you. So that one is out, as you can see over here. Yeah, these are really nice. So, and now back to the job. So for the back, it's kind of tricky. I don't know if I will be able to show you. So underneath the seat here, somewhere around here. So let me check from this side. So let's see. So from this side, somewhere around here, there is. So somewhere here, you pull your finger in, there is a hatch. I don't know if you're gonna, I will show you once I take it out. So just a second. So I hope you can see. So this hatch over here, you just pushed in this side. For now I'm gonna put my here. So, and there is another one on the other side. Same process. You need to push your hand in and click it on the other side. So now I hope you saw that. So basically you just pull on this side, same goes here. So after that is kind of just pull like this, and these things do like to clip inside every time. So once you take it out, you can bring it outside. So that's the down seat from the back side, and after that push it down here. This is the main focus of your battle. I found myself best to do with this bigger screwdriver. So basically what you have to do is push from this side your screwdriver. So I hope you're gonna see this. Push your screwdriver from this side there, like this, and you just need to push it back. So let me take it out. So this is halfway, and then you need to push it a little bit more. So need to push a little bit more, all the way like this. So once you have it like this, you can pull your seat up. Once you can pull your seat up, this plastic is a little bit in the way. Let me second. So once that job is done, so once you took it out from this hole here, you can focus on the middle one. And the middle one again has these plastic clips here. The best way is just to move like this one. So this one and this one is holding this side, and that one is holding the other side. So basically you push this out. So push this here, and then you can take it out. So after you took that thing out, rest what you have to do is unscrew this one. This is the bigger one, I believe. So just a second. So it's the same one that you used for the rest of the seats. Or maybe even bigger one. Let's see. So it is same one as the seats. So this one has electricity as well. You take that part out. So, and that's about that for this one. So now we have the last one on that side. So I'm gonna move on that side. So once again, you pull it down. There is the same thing on this side. Again, you will need the bigger screwdriver. It's kind of hard for me with one hand, so you take it out. So need to unclip this one full to the end. So once you took it out, up, there is nothing really holding it in place anymore. So you can put it with the rest of the seats. So yeah, I hope this helped. that's about that from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.